Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a knockoff banana split recipe. This is something that Asher and I in particular, do in the summer months more than any other time because I often will have whipped cream. We also do it around the fall time because I often have whipped cream for pumpkin pie and things of that nature. So super easy to put together. You can top it however you want. You can just have the whipped cream and the banana. That's delicious as well. So I hope that you guys like this as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Hi everyone, we are going to start this recipe by making our coconut whipped cream. You're going to take 3 cans of coconut milk, full fat. You're going to refrigerate them, preferably overnight, so that the coconut cream gets solid and then the water's on the bottom. And then you just want to open the cans and scoop out just the solid white parts. Leave all the water behind. Otherwise it'll make your whipped cream liquidy and it won't whip up nicely. So you just want to leave all that water in there. And reserve that water. You can use it for other things, smoothies or other recipes that you may need. You could use it to make the caramel sauce. That's what I'm going to use it for today, or part of it. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup maple syrup. You can add more than that if you want it sweeter. You can add less than that if you're trying to cut down on your sugars. And then just a couple dashes. This is about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just a few dashes in there. You're going to add the whipper, or if you have a hand mixer, you can use that as well. And you're just going to mix this, scrape down the sides as you need to until it's nice and fluffy, just like whipped cream. You want this consistency that you see on the beater here. Creamy, everything's incorporated really nicely, but it holds up. For the caramel sauce, you're going to do about 1.5 cups of dates and about 1 cup of coconut milk. You're going to have to play this a little bit by ear. You want to add a little salt to it as well. If you have a high-speed blender, you don't need to pre-soak your dates. Otherwise, you're going to want to pre-soak your dates for a little bit. And you're just trying to get it to this consistency, which is kind of pourable or squeezable out of a tube so that you can top or pipe it onto your banana split. Then we're going to make the Carob Candy, and so this takes about 3 tablespoons of roasted carob to about 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, and you can kind of do just a little at a time if you want to get the right consistency. And you'll see here it looks a little fudgy. Once it gets all done, we'll do the 4. I think I did about 3.5. I think I spilled a little, so it ended up being about 4 total. You're just going to whisk that together really well, and you'll see that it gets this really beautiful kind of sheen on it, like you would see with a melted chocolate. And this we're gonna put in a little mold, and we're just gonna stick it in the freezer so that it'll firm up, because I'm gonna actually grate this over the banana split. You can also just chop it up roughly. You can put it in molds. Any of that stuff works. I thought it looked cute with the grated. So you see how it sort of is drippy but thick still. So I'm just going to put it in the silicone mold. I'm going to stick it in the freezer. And then I just made some strawberry puree. I didn't put this on my banana split or the ones in the pictures, but Asher wanted it on his. It literally, guys, is just strawberries blended up. You just take the green parts off. Some people say you can leave the green parts on. I prefer to take them off. So you're just blending that all up until you get the nice strawberry puree. And you can use that sauce on all kinds of things, or in the strawberry cake that I make. You're going to slice up a banana, put it in a bowl. You're going to top it with three scoops or however many scoops of the coconut whipped cream you want, and whatever toppings you want. I did the grated carob, the coconut flakes, I did the caramel, a little strawberry there on top, and that's how I enjoyed this. Okay, hi everybody, we are back with a taste test of our banana splits. This is an ice cream free banana split. Asher and I do this often when I have leftover whipped cream. This is a dessert that we like. It's really sweet. Now, I actually like this dessert just the whipped cream and bananas. And you can make it like a little trifle if you want in a little dish, or you can just cut up bananas and put on the whipped cream. But for you guys today, we went all out and did toppings. So Asher did a bunch of non-AIP toppings. He did peanuts and chocolate chips and natural sprinkles, and strawberry sauce, which is AIP. And then for me, I put caramel sauce on mine, and I grated some carob that I'll show you in the video. I will show you the strawberry sauce, but I didn't want that on mine today. So we are going to do our taste test, and we'll let you know how it goes here. All right, are you ready, buddy?
All right.
Go ahead.
I have no idea what.
I've never done the coconut on mine before, so I'm going to try mine with the coconut flakes too. I like this dessert. What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you think about the sauces? Because I've never made the sauces for you before. The caramel sauce, I guess I've made at home here.
Strawberry sauce is kind of good.
Is it good? Okay. So is this a 2 thumbs up or 1 thumbs up?
I really like this a lot, so I'm probably gonna do 2 thumbs up.
Can you say that a little louder so they can hear you?
I'm gonna give this a 2 thumbs up because I really like this.
You really like this one. So this one, guys, it's really fruit and fat, which is, if you're gonna have dessert, it's a great way to have dessert. The coconut milk gives you a lot of that great fat that you need. The banana is a higher sugar fruit, so it's definitely not low carb, but definitely healthier than like a vat of ice cream. So I hope that you guys like this one as much as we do, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody.
Bye.